DS Diving Service here. It is February 25th, 2021. We're here at the Whale's Tail, the Boston Whaler. We have cleaned the starboard side. We have not cleaned the port side. I'm going to show you the back of the boat real quick on the clean side and then the dirty side. Clean. Now I'm going to swim you up the dirty side on the hull, and I'll swim you back to the clean side. See the next side, I bet you there's a big difference. Did have a little bit of buildup in your engine intakes, or not your engine intakes, but your intakes. Got that cleaned out. You get the other side cleaned up. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.